Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on OKX app. First thing first, in order to buy crypto on OKX, you have to open this application in your mobile. Here you want to go ahead and deposit, right? First, you have to tap on this deposit and then tap on this deposit crypto. So you have to deposit the crypto. When you have done, you have deposited crypto. You want to tap on the icon in the top left and then you can see these options. You have to come for this trade and then you have to select this spot option, and here you will get a wide range of varieties of cryptocurrencies. Here now you will get in the pair, for suppose you can get, as you can see, BTC TRY here. So in these pairs you can exchange for each other. For suppose you can exchange Bitcoin USDT, Ethereum USDT, OKB USDT. So what you can do is you can deposit a certain crypto here and then select that crypto, pay here along with BTC, and then you want to select it, and now you can go ahead and place the order. Now it's time to place order here, and you can go ahead and place order and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.